All right, motorcycle vlog number 2. So I got the bike back. It wouldn't start. So I took it apart and I emptied out the gas tank. I don't have a light, so I'd show you in there, but there's a dirty bunch of crud in there. And I pulled the fuel filter and pump. So this filter here is a factory filter, and it does, you can't change it. It's factory sealed, so you need to take it apart, and you can clean it with like fuel injector cleaner. I saw a video on YouTube of how to do that, but I'm missing this fitting here. Actually is difficult, or this hose, you can't really get it off so without cutting it, so I might not be able to actually clean it, but maybe, so I might have to get some parts. So I think I'll put it all back together with some new fuel, and then hopefully it'll start, because I think maybe that fuel where it was sitting for a few years is the reason why it wouldn't start. So anyway, short video. Had some fun with the leftover gas. I'll add that to the vlog as well. Cheers. Okay, so you can see there's a bunch of crud here in the fuel tank. I'm getting it out. There was a bunch of floaties in there. And I think I'll get a turkey baster to get the rest of it out. Anyway, it's a big fuel tank.
Samuel's about to blow our entire house up, so here we go.
It's not lighting.
Here we go. Oh, Jesus. There's like so much gas in this fucking thing. Oh my God, help me. Holy shit.
Holy cow! Oops.
Oh my God.
That's insane. That's crazy. Did you think it was gonna do that?
Yeah, you poured like gallons in there.
God. I thought it'd
It's like
be
going
gone.
outside the thing.
I thought it'd be gone by now. Oh man, do you have a fire extinguisher?
No.
What if the gas goes on the lawn?
It's still going. For sure they're calling the fire
I
department.
should have waited.
Oh my God. Do we need water? Water doesn't put out gas.
No, it makes it